Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Friends, if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe for further updates. Now let's get started with today's video. Have you ever lost a friend? Losing a friend is one of the most painful things that we have to go through in life. No matter how close or how distant they were, once they become your friend, they leave a mark on your heart that can never be erased. So without any further ado, let's get started. It feels like a part of you is missing when they are not around. But what if your friend starts to act in a way that makes you feel uncomfortable? Friends, sometimes we tend to think that our friends are the only people who accept us for who we are. But that's not always the case. Our friends are just a small part of our lives. Losing a friend can be really tough, but it's not the end of the world. There are many other people out there who would love to be your friend. So if you lose one, don't be sad because you still have plenty of chances to make new friends. Just be yourself and the right people will come along. There are many other people who love and appreciate us, including our family members and other loved ones. So if you lose a friend, it doesn't mean that you are not worthy of love and friendship. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, then what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and join our family. We will see you in the next one. Until then, peace out. It just means that this particular person is not meant to be in your life anymore. And that's okay. You will find other people who appreciate you for who you are. What if they start to take you for granted and treat you badly even after you have done so much for them? When you start to care too much about what other people think of you, then you are giving them the power to control your emotions. We hope that this video has helped you to understand that it's okay to lose a friend sometimes. Not every relationship is meant to last forever, and that's okay. Just be grateful for the time that you had with them and move on. You have to understand that you are more than what other people say about you. You are more than your mistakes. You are more than your appearance. So if a friend doesn't value your friendship, then let them go. You deserve better. You try to talk to them about it, but they don't seem to care about your feelings at all. This situation can be really tough and heartbreaking. But hey, we have all been in this situation before. So we understand how you feel right now. There are many people in this world who only pretend to be your friends because they want something from you. They only contact you when they need your help. They never ask how you are doing or how your day was. They just use you as a tool to get what they want. These types of fake friends can be really toxic because they bring nothing but negativity into your life. They just drag you down and make you feel bad about yourself. You have to be really careful when it comes to these types of people because they can hurt you badly. So if you have such a friend in your life, then it's best to stay away from them. True friends will always be there for you, not just when they need something from you. This is why today we are here with a reality check that will help you move on from your toxic friend. Number 1, I don't care about losing friends because the real one is always with me. Now this might sound a bit harsh, but think about it. If someone doesn't care about your feelings and takes you for granted all the time, then they were never a true friend of yours. Real friends are hard to find. They are like diamonds in the rough. You may have to go through many people to find a true friend, but when you do, you will know because they will always have your back. They will be there for you no matter what. If you have such a friend in your life, then you should consider yourself lucky because they will always have your back and you will always have theirs. So if you lose a fake friend, don't be sad because you still have your real friend with you. Number 2, I don't care about losing friends because some people only want to be around when they need something. Number 3, I don't care about losing friends because they don't define who I am. Number 4, I don't care about losing friends because I know my worth. Number 5, I don't care about losing friends because it's not the end of the world. So these were the 5 things that you should keep in mind when you don't care about losing friends. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends.